In a small village, hidden deep inside an ancient forest, there lived a young girl named Alara. The villagers believed that the forest was cursed, and no one dared to enter it after sunset. Strange sounds, whispering winds, and moving shadows filled the nights with fear. But Alara was different. She was curious, brave, and always searching for answers. Since childhood, Alara felt a strange connection with the forest. She could sense its moods, hear its silent messages, and feel its hidden energy. While others saw danger, she saw mystery. Her grandmother often warned her, "Never go too deep into the forest, my dear. A powerful witch lives there, and her magic is dark and unpredictable." But Alara's curiosity only grew stronger. One evening, as the sun slowly disappeared behind the tall trees, Alara felt an unusual pull toward the forest. It was as if something was calling her name. She wrapped her cloak around her shoulders and quietly left her house, stepping onto the narrow path leading into the shadows. The deeper she walked, the quieter the world became. The sounds of the village faded, replaced by the soft rustling of leaves and the distant hoot of an owl. Suddenly, she saw a faint light glowing between the trees. Drawn to it, she followed the glow until she reached a small clearing. In the center stood a crooked wooden cottage, covered in vines and strange symbols. Before she could turn back, the door slowly opened. An old woman with long silver hair and piercing green eyes stepped outside. Her presence was powerful, and the air seemed to vibrate around her. "I have been waiting for you," the witch said softly. Alara's heart raced. "Waiting for me?" she asked. The witch nodded. "You carry ancient magic within you. It has been sleeping for years, but now it is time for it to awaken." Confused and frightened, Alara listened as the witch explained that her family descended from a long line of powerful witches who once protected the balance between nature and humanity. But over time, fear and misunderstanding caused the villagers to turn against them, forcing the last witches into hiding. "Your grandmother tried to protect you by hiding your powers," the witch said, "but the forest has chosen you." Alara hesitated, torn between fear and curiosity. Finally, she agreed to learn, and thus began her training. Each day she returned to the forest, learning spells, brewing potions, and understanding the language of the wind and trees. The witch taught her that true magic was not about power, but balance, respect, and compassion. As weeks turned into months, Alara grew stronger and wiser, but dark forces were also awakening. A shadow spread across nearby lands, draining life from crops and animals. Villagers fell ill and despair filled the air. Realizing that only powerful magic could stop the darkness, Alara prepared for her greatest challenge. Guided by the witch, she journeyed to the heart of the forest, where an ancient evil spirit was sealed centuries ago. The path was dangerous. Twisted roots tried to trip her, and illusions tested her courage. Whispers filled her mind, telling her to turn back, but she pressed forward, holding on to hope. Finally, she reached a dark crystal altar. The evil spirit emerged, taking the form of a massive shadow with glowing red eyes. Fear washed over her, but she remembered her training. Closing her eyes, Alara called upon the forest, the wind, the earth, and her own hidden strength. Light burst from her hands, colliding with the darkness in a blinding flash. The battle lasted for hours, shaking the forest to its core. When the light finally faded, the shadow was gone. Silence returned, and a warm breeze carried the scent of fresh flowers. Ilara collapsed, exhausted but victorious. When she returned to the village, everything had changed. The sick were healed, crops grew tall and green, and the air felt alive again. The villagers, once fearful, now looked at her with awe and gratitude. From that day forward, Ilara became the guardian of the forest. She used her powers wisely, maintaining harmony between humans and nature. The witch, her mentor, slowly faded into legend, her mission complete. And so, the story of the young girl who became a powerful witch was passed down through generations, reminding everyone that true magic lives within courage, kindness, and the willingness to protect what we love.